How's it going, reinventors? Happy Vlogmas. This is the days leading up to December 25th, and in this video series, I'm going to be bringing you 25 things to do after you retire. I'm Amelia, this is Reinventing You. This channel is all about inspiring you so that you can reinvent your life. I want you to live a life of joy, fulfillment, and purpose. I normally post twice a week, but in this instance, during Vlogmas, I'll be posting every day. Now, you might say, wait a minute, haven't I already seen this video? Well, I did the same intro in every video for this series. I'm glad that you are here. I retired early from the ministry after 20 years, but it doesn't matter what age you retire. You are probably looking for what are you going to spend your time doing after you have retired, and I want to help you out through my own experience. If you are interested, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the bell. That way you'll be notified when I post new videos. This video is for Vlogmas Day 4. In my last video, I suggested that part of your retirement days should be filled with planning ahead. In this video, I want to let you know, don't broadcast your plans. Now, all this has to go back to my own experience, as well as some of the videos that I've done in the past. And I have up here in the cards and in the description below, some of my most popular videos have been about nosy people. And what happened when I retired, especially because I retired young, and this happens though at any age, people are going to ask you, what are you going to do when you're retired? Now, I, in the last video, suggested that you need some plans. Before that, I suggested you need some goals. But let me tell you, this is not the time to tell other people what your plans are and what your goals are. And there's two big reasons for this. The number one is it's not anybody's business but your own, yours and maybe your life partner or maybe some immediate family. That is who you can, consult with and talk about with. But other than that, it's really not anybody's business. And if you tell them what you're going to do, they're going to have all kinds of opinions, why you can't do it or how you should do it or you should wait or you should have done that years ago, all of those things. And it's really going to make you feel bad about yourself instead of looking forward to retiring. The second thing is that a lot of times when we have a goal or a plan, or a vision for our future, and we speak it aloud, if we go around telling people, it tends to make us feel like we've already done that thing, which I think is really strange, but apparently it's very true. If you speak it aloud, if you give it, to other people, I guess if you're just in a room somewhere by yourself, to speak it aloud is not bad. And there are people who believe you have to speak things aloud into the universe so things will happen. I don't know about that, but I do know that if you go around telling people, for instance, if you're planning on losing weight, you go around telling people, hey, I'm going on a diet, I'm going to be losing some weight, or I'm going to be exercising. Half the time, you're not going to exercise or stick with a diet or lose weight because you've already told people and you just feel better about telling people and thinking that you've done it. So those are the two reasons. Don't broadcast your plans that you have for your retirement. I hope you've enjoyed this video. In the comments below, let me know what you would suggest doing when you retire or when somebody else retires, or what you hope to do when you retire. And if this video has been helpful for you, guess what? I want you to give me a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Have a great one.